Tuesday's tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you 6 different variations of cramp rolls. So let's get those tap shoes and get started. Alright guys, we're going to start with a basic cramp roll. This is going to be a step, step, heel, heel, making sure you're alternating feet every single time. So from the side, it'll look like this. Step, step, heel, heel. Good. Let's try 4 of those in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Great. Now let's try it on the left side. Starting with your left foot, go. Step, step, heel, heel. And 4 in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's try those fast. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Next, we're going to do a flap cramp roll. This is very similar. Instead of that first step, you're going to do a flap. So you'll go flap, step, heel, heel. We'll try that again. Flap, step, heel, heel. And 4 in a row is going to look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Let's try that left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's move on to our toe cramp rolls. So you're going to start up onto those toes. Toe, toe, step, step. Good. Again, make sure you're alternating feet every single time. Let's do 4 in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And we'll try that left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is now going to be a heel, heel, toe, toe. So starting with your heel, heel, toe, toe. Good. Let's try that 4 times on our right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try it on our left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Now let's speed it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, now we're going to try an around the world cramp roll. You're still going to go step, step, heel, heel, but rather than alternating feet every single time, you're going to go right, left, left, right. Awesome. Let's try that again a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right. Awesome. Let's try that on our left foot. So you'll start left, right, right, left. And a little bit faster on that left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's piece it together so that we can alternate feet. Starting on our right, you go right, left, left, right. And then starting on that left, left, right, right, left. Great. Let's try 4 of those in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's try those a little bit faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's move on to our double cramp rolls. These ones are going to have 2 extra sounds in them. So you're going to start up on your toes. Right, left, step down, right, and then heel, heel. Let's try those just a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. on the left, starting with left, right, step, step, heel, heel. Good, and a little bit faster on that left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. And up to speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, thanks for learning those cramp rolls with me. Make sure you come back to our channel to keep up with all the new videos we post every week.